Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prequel app. You click on settings, here. You will go to settings like this. Then you will search then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will search about Prequel app. Then you click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your